Okay, so how to fix your BetterBuilt toolbox if it's not locking properly. So this is what you're gonna need to fix right here. This is how it locks, unlock. So when you lock it and you pull the thing, it's supposed to get stuck on here so it won't open. But this was on mine, it was perfectly straight, so it was just going over. So what you have to do is just get some vice grips and stick them on here, and then twist up to give it a little bend, but you don't give it too much because then it'll just go under it. So as you can see that I bent it, now it's not going, but if you bend it too much, it'll just go under. But now it's fixed.